Boom! He's back. Sleep on the beach. Sleep on the beach. A must. You know, there's no better way to put life back in perspective than to spend a few days living in the great outdoors. Bone up on survival skills and leave your fancy camping gear behind. Boom! Leave your fancy camping gear behind. Flip or scroll to a random page in the local college course catalog. Sit in on a class on that page. Bike through a city, you will understand its geography in a way that the motorist never will. That's true. That's true because that's what I always did. That's what I told I was talking to someone the other day and I said I never had the driver's license before the age of a 27-year-old because I always traveled by bike. I always used my bike to go around in Montreal. And yeah, and you understand, you overstand. You see things very differently from when you're inside your motor vehicle, for sure. The more attention you bring to the direct experience of eating, the more interesting it becomes. Don't listen to criticism from others or from yourself. Tune out the critics inside and outside. Both. Tune out everything. Sit in a tree in silence. Huh, Gavin?
Yeah.
Sit in a tree in silence. Wonderful. One of the best feelings in the world.
Have a cup of tea with that.
With a cup of tea, Gavin said. Walk in one direction for an entire day, from sunrise to sunset. Pick up a rock at the beginning and leave the rock at the end of the walk. Wildlife list to make. Animals including the endangered, vulnerable and threatened. Birds, eggs and nests identification. Butterfly and moth sightings by location, date and species. Insects, the most unusual, not for the squeamish. The mycological world, mushrooms, fungi and lichen. Plants, native, edible and the ones you'd like to see. Rocks and minerals, one of the best because you can take specimens home. Seashells, a collection you can display. Stars and wandering stars. Identify and locate celestial objects using maps. Trees, note leaf shapes, bark, seeds and nuts.
On my tree, Daddy. For tonight.
Yeah, good. Happiness comes when you are aware of the natural wonders around you. When you are aware of the natural wonders around you. Now, learn how to make a sun compass and improvise a magnetic compass. Navigate using your watch. Change is life, and it is all around you. Don't listen to a bully. Self-reliance is an emboldening. Recognize some of the little things that you can do for yourself. Visit real estate open houses. We all like to peek behind closed doors sometimes. Eat honey straight from the jar. Do one thing to get more involved with your community. Go to a parade. Attend a chili cook-off. Eat the spiciest chili you can bear. Yeah, vegetarian chili for me. Plant a tree. Plant a tree. Look at that tree, how tall it is, eh? They all reach so high, eh?
Like bamboo trees.
Yeah.
They reach high.
Sometimes we are lucky enough to know that our lives have been changed, to discard the old and embrace the new, and run headlong down and an immutable course. Immutable course. Try to talk like Yoda. Try to talk like Yoda. That's a good one. Build the ultimate tree house. I was just talking about that with Gavin. I said we should build a tree house here. We're gonna build the ultimate tree house. We're gonna build one. Concoct dandelion wine. You only need basic ingredients such as water, yeast, sugar, and lemon or oranges. I'm not big on wine. Something to try. Be the eyewitness of all you see. The courage and discipline you need to consider every action, thought, and word carries over to everything you do. Make your ears into listening antennas, especially in crowds or social situations. You will learn more by speaking less. You will learn more by speaking less. Yeah. For sure, you will learn more by speaking less. But people, you know what I find, Gavin, is people speak, but they don't listen. Or they listen to reply. Or they listen to reply. One or the other. Select a magazine you never heard of from a newsstand. Hike pristine wilderness with friendly porters and guides. You can't become a decent horseman until you fall and get up again. A good number of times. A good number of times. There's life in a nutshell. There's life in a nutshell. Land a skateboard trick. Learn to snowboard. That's something I want to learn, to snowboard, but I don't think with my knee I'll ever be able to get on a snowboard. Make mistakes on purpose to remind yourself that there is no perfection. Oh, this one is very good, Gavin. And I want to emphasize on this one, especially for you guys listening. Leave funny notes in library books. You know what we should do is take post-it. And I think I'm going to do that one day with Gavin. Gavin will do a mission one day, okay? We'll go to the library in Montreal, the big library. And we'll go into the library and we'll put post-it inside the books saying research, the world is a lie or something, research flat earth, or the globe is a lie, or we'll find something to say that attracts people. But the globe you've been told you live on is a lie. Yeah, something like that. More than flat earth, or because flat earth I think is just another who knows where we are. Is it looks flat, the waters are flat. Yeah, I agree. But
okay, the water's not flat.
But they have waves and this and stuff.
So we know it's flat.
Je veux dire, when I say flat, I mean there's no curve. It's more what I mean.
Like birds, when they fly, they're straight.
Yeah, that's it. Like airplanes.
This straight. This. Yeah, okay, it's not straight.
But I think leaving notes in library books is a very, very good idea. To write notes, write post-it, and you leave them in the library book. So when people go to the library and suddenly they open the page and they're like, hey, If, you know, the person that's gonna pick up the book, there's a reason why she picks up that book and she's gonna read that note. We should do it. We're gonna do it here in the village. Okay? Or the best is the big library in Montreal. Like you leave post-it and
Or go here, put it on a bird, fly away.
Yeah. Or you put message in a bottle. You put a message in a bottle and you leave it here at the river. We should do that once. Yeah. Or go drop it in the ocean near where we go, the other chilling spot. We throw it far, far, far on the river.
Yeah.
See where it's gonna end up.
You know, like the ranger, or like the worker side.